Hey there, my name is Benjamin Freifeld. I'm a senior social work major at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. I grew up around here in Virginia and then spent a good amount of time here in Greensboro in school as well, in high school. Moved down to New Orleans, Louisiana, and spent some years down there before coming back up here and transferring into UNCG. My interests in social work lie mainly in sort of the macro level work. I'm interested in doing some either policy work, community organizing, or advocacy type stuff. I also know that that's sort of a level of social work that doesn't get talked about so much. And so I'm interested in learning some more about that as time goes on. I've had a lot of experience kind of working over the last year or so with GC Stop, the Guilford County solution to the opioid problem. So a lot of my interests do lie within the field of substance use and harm reduction. I really believe in the dignity of all people and supporting folks and connecting them to resources, no matter what choices they make, and kind of removing the morality from the conversation, which I think happens far too much, specifically in regards to, I guess a lot of the stuff that we look at in social work, but it happens a lot with drug use as well. So that's some of my goals. I'm also interested in disability rights and disability work, and racial justice, racial equality. My goals for this semester lie in, I guess, figuring out some more clinical stuff in micro practice. That's not something that I think I really want to do long term within the social work profession, but it's something that I know I need to know about and something that I want to know a lot more about. And I hope that this class will really help me, refine a lot of those skills and begin to develop them, as well as start to connect the dots about how the theoretical aspects of social work, connect to the practice level of it, and then see how that stuff will all translate over into my work in my field experience this year, which will also be at GC Stop. The exciting part of that field experience being timed with this class is that I expect that I'll have the opportunity to really put a lot of what I'm learning into practice there, and then to kind of come back and talk about it in this class or talk about it in the field seminar, and just really get down to the praxis level and see, where that theory meets action. I do think that it'll be challenging, though. I'm worried that I might freeze up, or that I might not be able to kind of connect the dots, that I might not see, well, this is an opportunity to put in this method or to use this theory in talking to somebody. But I am excited, and I think that, I'm able to learn, so I'm looking forward to it.